Welcome to Smart Factory Kunshan video channel.
Let me show you one more use case actually, which is very tiny and which you can see on the wall right here. This is just a small sticker with a QR code on it. We have got these stickers basically everywhere in every room and attached to a lot of machines. So you can attach a sticker either to a room or to a machine or to any other asset. And the function of it is that you have a kind of quick notification possible if something is wrong with the machine or the asset or with the room. So let's say, for example, in this room the light was broken. Actually it is not broken, but let's say it was broken. Then I just take a scanner, can be any scanner. I don't need any specific software on my handheld here. And then you can actually see the place where we are. We are here at the Yoma workshop, and this is the factory and the room to which this sticker has been attached. And now I can just type in here, light is broken, and it is me, Christian, and I can say this is some standard failures in Chinese. You will not be able to read this, but I can click one of the standard failures, and then I click send, and then it goes to the person who is responsible for this room, and he knows what is going on, and the software behind will track the information and will double check again with this person until he has confirmed I have fixed this problem. So we have attached this everywhere in our entire place. Later I will show you one more that is attached not to a room but to a machine. So let's move to the next use case.